Good evening. Here my output. Finance. Your best financial life start here. A smart, easy to use app that allows you to track your in and out money. We have login, then go to dashboard and spend smarter and save more. Say goodbye to spreadsheet with customizable budgets. Easily add and update your incomes and expenses. So, mas mapapadali pag-customize ng ating budget. And ma-update pa natin ang ating incomes and expenses. And track your spending, reach your goals with custom budget, monitoring your incomes and expenses every day. Yan, all for free. Sabi nga dito, monitor natin ang ating income and expenses every day. And parang magiging natin. And then you can click the login, and then if you have already an account, you can log in. And if you don't have an already account, then you can create an account. Ganito kadali gamitin ang ating finance app. Then click the login. What's this? My God, my God. Yan. At ito na. Delete muna natin to. Kung makikita natin dito, today is February 5. Then we have dashboard and exit. And then here incomes and expenses. And then the total, and then the chart balance. And we have a light mode and dark mode here. Yeah. And then the last transaction, description, amount, and date. Dito. Click tayo ng new transaction sa expenses. Tayo ng expense. Lagyan lang tayo dito kaya ganyan. Sample lang naman. 5K. Yan. Sa expenses today. Nagamit natin ngayon. Confirm. And then chart balance is here the expenses. Expenses is red, and then income is green. And then last transaction, description here, Peter, amount 5,000, date 2025 February 5. At tayo ng incomes natin, kung ilan yung naging incomes natin sa 5K na expenses natin. And Peter Pan, hindi pumasok na 6K, 10K natin. Then nung 12, yan, confirm, yun, incomes natin ay 10,000, ang expenses natin ay 5,000. Nagamit natin pera. And then the total of is 5,000. Kumita tayo 5,000. Then it's good. Ganito lang kadali gamitin ang ating finance app. Kung makikita nyo sa chart balance, mas malamang ang incomes kaysa sa expenses. And then, it's good. And then, yun lamang po. Thank you.